We have all accepted traditional air fryers as the ultimate countertop convenience. They heat up quickly, they make frozen foods incredibly crispy, and they save us from turning on the main kitchen oven for small meals. But the appliance industry is currently pushing a massive shift towards something called infrared technology. Brands are suddenly introducing machines that look completely different from the standard fryers we're used to. They carry massive price tags, and they promise to eliminate almost every annoyance you currently experience with your machine. They claim to operate silently, they clean themselves, and they don't dry out your food. The claims sound fantastic on paper, but when you look closely at how this technology actually works, and more importantly, how much it costs, a clear dividing line appears. For some kitchens, this is the ultimate appliance upgrade. For others, it's an absolute trap. Before we jump into the actual comparison, let's first understand the mechanics of both. How they both work. The difference. To understand if an infrared machine is worth your money, you have to look at what's happening inside the cooking chamber. Regular air fryers use traditional convection heating to cook your meals. If you pull the basket out of your current machine and look up, you will see a metal nichrome coil. The machine uses that coil to heat the air inside the chamber, which is then circulated by a high-speed fan. It's a reliable system, but it has a major structural flaw. This method requires preheating and wastes energy heating the empty space before it actually cooks the food. You're essentially paying to heat the air before the cooking truly begins. Infrared air fryers completely change this mechanical process. Models like the t-fal InfraHeat use advanced carbon fiber or halogen heating elements. Instead of just heating the air around your dinner, infrared elements shoot radiant electromagnetic energy directly into the food. Think of it like the difference between standing in a warm room versus stepping directly into bright, hot sunlight. Because of this direct energy transfer, infrared models reach optimal cooking temperatures instantly. This completely eliminates preheat times. These advanced heating elements can reach temperatures as high as 750 degrees Fahrenheit in just 45 seconds. The speed and taste reality. That technological difference sounds great on a spec sheet, but it has to translate to the food on your plate. When put to the test, infrared technology shows a distinct advantage in speed and exterior texturing. Independent trials show that infrared models cook food 30% to 45% faster than standard air fryers. Let us look at a real-world example using a standard batch of chicken wings. In a traditional convection air fryer, that batch typically takes 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a premium infrared model, it takes just 15 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. You're getting your food significantly faster and at a lower overall temperature setting. But speed is only half of the equation. Standard air fryers are notorious for ruining certain types of food. Due to their prolonged exposure to circulating hot, dry air, standard machines are much more prone to drying out raw proteins. A chicken breast or a thick piece of fish can easily turn tough. Infrared ovens excel at locking in moisture. Because the direct radiant heat cooks the meat significantly faster, it sears the outside similar to a steakhouse broiler while leaving the inside tender and juicy. The acoustic profile. There is another reality of owning a standard air fryer that most people just accept as completely normal. Standard air fryers are notoriously loud. They often produce 60 to 65 decibels of noise. To put that in perspective, that volume is comparable to a small jet engine taking off or a loud vacuum cleaner running on your counter. This aggressive noise level happens because they require heavy-duty fans to force hot air around piled-up food. If you're trying to have a conversation or watch a video in the kitchen, a standard air fryer is highly disruptive. Premium infrared units are engineered to solve this specific problem. They are whisper quiet. Because radiant heat does the heavy lifting to cook the food, the internal fans don't have to work as aggressively. High-end infrared models run at around 44 to 55 decibels. That drop in decibels is incredibly significant in a home environment. It's quiet enough to have a normal indoor conversation right next to the machine without raising your voice. The mainstream counter-attack. If infrared is so fast, so quiet, and so good at searing meat, you would expect every major brand to switch over immediately. But that has not happened. We need to stay neutral here and look at what brands like Ninja are doing instead. They're proving that you don't need expensive infrared coils to build a better cooking experience. Instead of chasing raw speed, standard air fryers are innovating in usability. Take the Ninja DZ201 Foodie 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone machine as a perfect example. A massive complaint with both standard and infrared machines is that you can only cook one thing at a time. The Ninja DZ201 completely eliminates this bottleneck by offering 2 independent frying baskets. You can put chicken in one side and French fries in the other. But the real magic is in the software. With features like Smart Finish and Match Cook, the machine calculates the different cooking times and temperatures for both sides, ensuring they finish at the exact same time. Infrared might cook a steak faster, but the Ninja Dual Zone lets you serve a complete hot meal at the exact same time without juggling multiple appliances. For a busy household, workflow often matters a lot more than saving 10 minutes on a single ingredient. If this breakdown is helping you separate the good kitchen tools from the expensive mistakes, subscribe to Valid Consumer. That is exactly what we do here. Ditching the bucket design. The physical design of the cooking chamber plays a massive role in how your food turns out. Traditional models usually feature deep, narrow bucket-style baskets. This design creates a major functional limitation. It forces users to overlap or stack their food, which restricts airflow and creates soggy, undercooked spots. Infrared proponents argue that their newer, wider shapes solve this. But again, standard technology has already adapted. Look at the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer, the SP151. This is an 1800-watt 8-in-1 machine that uses an XL capacity oven-style layout. Interestingly, this specific model also incorporates an infrared element into its design, showing that the technology is slowly bleeding into traditional form factors. Because it is shaped like a wide oven, you get a massive amount of flat surface area. You can lay out dozens of wings or a massive sheet pan of vegetables without stacking anything. You get a perfectly even crisp without constantly shaking a basket. Maintenance and cleaning innovations. Cleaning standard air fryers is a universal pain point for almost everyone who owns one. Traditional baskets rely on standard Teflon non-stick coatings. No matter how careful you are with your cleaning tools, these coatings inevitably peel, blister, or flake off after a few months of aggressive scrubbing. Once the coating is compromised, the basket becomes even harder to clean, creating a frustrating cycle. High-end infrared models are shifting the industry standard for durability. They're moving toward PFAS-free ceramic cooking plates that are fully dishwasher safe. But the real innovation is happening after the cooking is entirely done. Some premium infrared models are introducing self-cleaning features. By adding a bit of water and dish soap, the machine uses extreme heat to steam and burn off grease and residue. This drastically reduces manual scrubbing and keeps the machine in pristine condition with very little effort. Energy and market reality. We also have to talk about the power draw and the actual cost of entry. With all the extreme heat and rapid cooking speed, you might assume an infrared machine will heavily inflate your electricity bill. The reality is the exact opposite. While infrared heating elements often draw similar or slightly higher peak wattage than standard metal coils, their overall energy consumption is actually lower. Because infrared air fryers require zero preheating time and cook food up to 45% faster, the machine is running for a significantly shorter duration. Less running time means less total power pulled from the wall over the course of a month. However, you pay for those long-term energy savings upfront. A highly rated, reliable traditional air fryer can easily be purchased for $80 to $120. They are incredibly accessible. In contrast, first-generation premium infrared models command massive price tags. The t-fal InfraHeat sits around $150 to $200. Buyers are currently paying a heavy early adopter tax for infrared technology. Is there a winner? If you view your air fryer as a primary oven replacement and you cook raw steaks, thick fish fillets, and whole chicken breasts every single night, infrared technology is incredibly impressive. It cooks faster, it sears beautifully, and it operates silently. It handles raw proteins better than standard convection air fryers. However, major brands like Ninja have proven that standard convection technology is nowhere near dead. If you care about workflow, buying a machine like the Ninja Dual Zone will save you far more frustration than a slightly faster heating element. If you care about chemical safety and easy cleanup, the Ninja Crispy Glass gives you total peace of mind for a fraction of the cost of a premium infrared unit. Right now, infrared is an amazing tool for absolute speed and searing. But traditional air fryers remain the kings of versatility, clever design, and overall value. Subscribe to Valid Consumer for more valuable comparisons.